We live in a world where everyone talks about money, but very few people actually understand how to make money from money. Most of us think of earning as working hard, putting in the hours, and getting paid. That's the traditional way, right? You work, you get a paycheck. But here's the truth. There's a whole different game out there, a game that can change your financial future, a game that involves making your money work for you. It's about learning to leverage what you already have and turning it into something bigger, turning those dollars into soldiers that bring back even more dollars. First, let's get one thing clear. Making money from money doesn't mean having to be born into wealth or having some secret insider knowledge. No, this is about strategy, knowledge, and a little bit of hustle. It's about understanding the power of compound growth, understanding how investments work, and knowing that the best way to build wealth isn't by saving every penny, but by making your money do the heavy lifting for you. One of the first steps in making money from money is to invest. Investing is like planting a seed. You're taking a portion of your money and putting it into something that can grow over time. You're taking that money out of your pocket and putting it into assets that will pay you back in the future. Whether it's stocks, real estate, bonds, or even a business venture, the key is to make informed choices. You need to understand the risk and the reward, but you also need to understand the potential for growth. If you just leave your money sitting in a savings account, you're losing value every year. Inflation, that silent thief, is eroding your purchasing power. But when you invest, you're taking that risk, and you're putting your money into the kind of environment where it can thrive. Now, investing isn't just about putting your money in the stock market and hoping it grows. It's about understanding the different vehicles for wealth creation and how each one fits your goals. Stocks give you the chance to buy a piece of some of the most successful companies in the world. Real estate gives you the ability to generate passive income through rental properties or capital gains when you buy and sell properties. Bonds are a safer, more stable option, providing you with fixed interest income. Each of these options offers a different path to growing wealth, but they all have one thing in common: they make your money work for you. And when you start seeing those returns, when you start seeing that growth, it changes your mindset forever. But here's the thing: investing takes time and patience. It's not an overnight process. You can't just throw your money in and expect immediate results. Real wealth is built over time through consistent, smart investments. And that means getting educated. You've got to be a student of the game. Whether you're reading books, listening to podcasts, attending seminars, or getting advice from people who've done it before, you've got to learn how to navigate the world of investing. It's not just about picking stocks or properties. It's about understanding market trends, knowing when to buy, when to hold, and when to sell. The best investors aren't just lucky, they're informed. They make decisions based on knowledge, not emotion. Now let's talk about entrepreneurship. If you really want to make money from money, starting a business is one of the most powerful ways to do it. The beauty of a business is that it has the potential to generate income without you having to do every single thing yourself. When you build a business, you're creating a system that can run without you. You can scale it, you can delegate, you can hire people who help turn your ideas into a profitable reality. When you invest in your business, you're investing in something that, if done right, can grow exponentially. It's a different kind of investment. It's not just putting money into an asset. It's putting time, effort, and energy into creating a value that others are willing to pay for. And when that business takes off, you'll be able to make money not only from what you sell, but from the systems and processes you've created. But again, entrepreneurship requires a mindset shift. It's about thinking beyond just working for money. It's about creating something that makes money work for you. You've got to think like an entrepreneur, not an employee. You've got to take risks, but calculated risks. You've got to be resilient, ready to face setbacks, and keep pushing forward. Most importantly, you've got to understand that making money from money isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about building wealth steadily, making smart decisions, and working smarter, not harder. Finally, let's not forget the power of networking and partnerships. One of the best ways to make money from money is to collaborate with others who have the same goal. Whether you're starting a business together, investing in real estate, or pooling resources to make larger investments, partnerships can amplify your ability to generate wealth. No one does it alone. There's strength in numbers, and when you surround yourself with people who are equally committed to success, you multiply your opportunities. By working together, you open up doors you wouldn't have access to on your own. Making money from money is a journey, not a destination. It's a mindset. It's about learning how to leverage what you have to get where you want to go. It's about making smart, calculated decisions, taking risks when necessary, and staying disciplined. It's about turning what you have today into the resources that will build the life you want tomorrow. If you can start to think like that, if you can start to act on it, you'll begin to see your money working harder for you than you ever thought possible. So ask yourself, how can you make your money work for you today? The answers are out there waiting, but you have to be willing to take that first step. investment is one of the most powerful tools at your disposal when it comes to making money from money. It's not about simply accumulating wealth, but about using the wealth you have to create more wealth. The concept is simple. You take your money, and instead of letting it sit idle in a savings account, you put it into assets that have the potential to grow in value. The beauty of investment lies in its ability to compound over time. The more you invest, the more your money works for you, generating returns that you can reinvest, amplifying your wealth further. The secret to successful investing is understanding how different types of investments can grow, how to assess risks, and knowing the best strategies to apply. One of the first steps in investing is understanding the different options available to you. Each investment vehicle has its own set of risks and rewards. Stocks, for instance, offer the potential for high returns, but they come with greater volatility. Investing in companies through stocks means you're essentially buying a piece of a business. When the business performs well, your investment grows in value. But if the business falters, so does the value of your investment. This makes stocks one of the riskier forms of investment, but also one of the most rewarding when you choose the right companies and time your investments wisely. The key to successful stock investment is research. You need to understand the companies you're investing in, their industry trends, and the broader market conditions. It's about learning how to analyze financial statements, market behavior, and news that might impact your investments. Real estate, on the other hand, is another popular form of investment that provides more stability than stocks. Real estate offers a more tangible investment because you are purchasing physical property. The value of real estate typically appreciates over time, and you have the added benefit of generating income from rents. Investing in real estate allows you to capitalize on both the increasing value of the property and the ongoing cash flow it generates. However, real estate can be capital intensive, requiring significant upfront investment. It also involves the responsibility of managing the property or hiring someone to do it. Real estate investment can be passive if you opt for properties that are professionally managed, allowing you to earn income while others handle the day-to-day operations. The key with real estate is understanding the local market trends, property values, rental yields, and potential for future growth. Bonds represent a safer, more stable form of investment compared to stocks and real estate. When you invest in bonds, you are lending money to an entity, whether it's a government or a corporation, and in return, you earn interest over time. Bonds are less volatile and provide a fixed return, making them a good option for those seeking lower risk investments. The downside, however, is that the returns are typically lower than stocks or real estate. Bonds are often favored by more conservative investors who prioritize safety over high returns. They provide regular income, and they're typically more predictable, making them an attractive option for long-term stability in a diversified portfolio. Another form of investment that has gained popularity in recent years is the cryptocurrency market. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are digital assets that can offer high returns. However, they are notoriously volatile and come with a great deal of risk. Investing in cryptocurrencies requires a deep understanding of the technology, market trends, and regulatory factors that could influence their value. While some have seen extraordinary returns on their cryptocurrency investments, others have faced significant losses. The key to navigating this market is not just understanding the technology, but also being prepared for high levels of fluctuation in the short term. The most important principle when it comes to investment is that it's not about timing the market, but timing the market. Wealth is built over the long term, and compound interest is one of the most effective tools for growing your wealth. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Compounding means that the returns you earn on your investments generate their own returns. It's a snowball effect where the more you invest, the faster your wealth grows. This is why it's critical to start investing as early as possible, even if it's with small amounts. As your investments grow, the power of compounding will work in your favor, turning small amounts of money into substantial wealth over time. It's also crucial to diversify your investments. Never put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification reduces risk and helps ensure that your wealth is protected from the downturns of any one particular investment. By spreading your investments across different asset classes such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and alternative investments, you ensure that if one investment falters, the others can help buffer against the loss. Diversification allows you to take advantage of different growth opportunities while minimizing exposure to risks that could significantly impact your wealth. While investing is an effective way to make money from money, it's not a get-rich-quick strategy. It requires patience, research, and consistency. The path to building wealth through investment is often slow and steady, but the rewards can be enormous if you stay disciplined and committed. The best investors don't panic during market downturns. They stick to their strategy and ride out the waves. The key is to make informed decisions, stay focused on your long-term goals, and never stop learning. Whether you're just starting out or are already a seasoned investor, the principles of investing can help you make your money work harder for you and build wealth that will serve you for years to come. Entrepreneurship is one of the most powerful ways to make money from money. It's about creating something that not only provides value to others, but also generates income for you. The beauty of entrepreneurship is that it allows you to leverage your skills, your ideas, and most importantly, your capital to build something that can generate wealth over time. Unlike traditional employment, where you trade time for money, entrepreneurship is about scaling a business model that can work for you, even when you're not actively involved in it. It's about building systems, creating processes, and developing a business that functions with minimal day-to-day effort on your part, all while growing your wealth. The first step in becoming an entrepreneur is identifying an opportunity. Entrepreneurs don't just wait for opportunities to fall into their laps, they actively seek them out. They observe the world around them, listen to the needs of the market, and recognize where there is a gap or problem that needs solving. This is where the creative side of entrepreneurship comes into play. It's about thinking outside the box and identifying solutions to problems that people are willing to pay for. A successful entrepreneur is someone who can spot a need, develop a product or service to fill that need, and bring it to market in a way that resonates with their audience. Once you've identified an opportunity, the next step is to create a business model. This is where the money starts to work for you. The goal of a business is not just to make money, but to create a system that generates revenue with minimal ongoing effort. Building a business model involves determining how you will deliver your product or service to customers, how you will price it, and how you will generate revenue. It's about creating value that customers are willing to pay for and finding a way to deliver that value in the most efficient and profitable way. A strong business model provides the framework for scaling your business, increasing profitability, and ultimately creating wealth. But here's the reality: entrepreneurship is not easy. It requires risk, it requires hard work, and it requires resilience. Building a successful business takes time, effort, and a willingness to learn from your mistakes. Many entrepreneurs face setbacks, and the road to success is often filled with challenges. The key is to not let failures discourage you. Instead, you must learn from them and keep moving forward. Every setback is an opportunity to grow, refine your strategy, and improve your business model. The most successful entrepreneurs are the ones who have faced the most challenges and have come out stronger on the other side. One of the most important aspects of entrepreneurship is the ability to scale. When you start a business, it often requires a lot of hands-on involvement from you. You're the one wearing many hats, managing operations, handling sales, and ensuring that everything runs smoothly. However, as your business grows, you must learn to delegate and build systems that can operate without you. This is where true wealth creation happens. When you can scale your business, you increase your potential for profit without increasing the amount of time you spend working.
Scaling a business involves automating processes, outsourcing tasks, and building a team that can handle the day-to-day operations while you focus on higher-level strategies.
The ability to leverage other people's skills and time is a powerful tool for making money from money. As your business expands, you may find that hiring employees, contractors, or partners allows you to focus on what you do best while others handle the rest. This doesn't mean you give up control of your business, but rather you empower others to help grow it. When you build a strong team, you multiply your ability to create value, generate revenue, and ultimately make money from money. Moreover, as your business generates more revenue, you can reinvest those profits into the growth of the business or into other ventures. This is where your money starts to work for you. The money you generate through entrepreneurship can be reinvested into further expanding your business, creating new products, or even diversifying your investments. By continually reinvesting your profits, you compound your wealth and grow your business in a way that provides long-term financial security. It's also important to understand that entrepreneurship is about more than just making money. It's about creating value, solving problems, and making a positive impact. The best entrepreneurs are those who focus on making the world a better place while also generating profit. The money that comes from entrepreneurship is a byproduct of providing value to others. When you focus on making a difference, the financial rewards follow. Being an entrepreneur is not for everyone. It requires a certain mindset, one that is willing to take risks, embrace failure, and work tirelessly to build something from nothing. It's about being relentless in your pursuit of success, being adaptable, and constantly seeking ways to improve. While entrepreneurship is not a guaranteed path to wealth, it is one of the most effective ways to build lasting financial independence. It allows you to take control of your financial future, create wealth on your own terms, and have the freedom to live life on your own schedule. The key to making money from money through entrepreneurship is to stay focused, stay resilient, and always be looking for new ways to create value in the world. Passive income is one of the most powerful ways to make money from money. The concept of passive income is simple. It's the ability to earn money consistently with minimal effort once the initial setup is done. Unlike traditional active income, where you trade time for money by working a job or running a business, passive income allows your money to work for you. It's about finding ways to generate revenue streams that require little to no ongoing work once they are established. The best part? With passive income, you're not tied to a 9-to-5 schedule, and you can enjoy more freedom while still growing your wealth. One of the most common forms of passive income is through investments. When you invest in stocks, bonds, or real estate, you're essentially allowing your money to earn returns over time with little involvement on your part. Stocks and bonds pay dividends or interest, and real estate properties can provide rental income, all of which can add up to a steady stream of passive income. While these investments do require some initial capital, they continue to generate income with little active involvement, especially once you have set them up correctly. The key is to start investing early and consistently, allowing your investments to grow over time. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to compound, and the greater the long-term returns will be. Real estate is one of the most popular and reliable forms of passive income. If you purchase a property and rent it out, you can receive regular monthly rent payments. In addition to the income generated by the rent, the value of the property may also appreciate over time, allowing you to sell it for a profit down the road. Real estate investment trust REITs are also an option for those who don't want to deal with the headaches of managing property directly.
REITs allow you to invest in real estate without having to own physical property, and they pay out dividends based on the income generated from their holdings.
Whether you own physical property or invest through a REIT, real estate can be a reliable source of passive income as long as you understand the market and choose properties wisely. Another way to generate passive income is through the creation of intellectual property such as books, music, or online courses. Once you've created and published the material, you can continue to earn money from it with little ongoing effort. For instance, writing a book and publishing it on platforms like Amazon can generate royalties for years after the initial publication. Similarly, creating an online course and selling it through platforms like Udemy or Teachable allows you to earn money whenever someone enrolls without having to do anything after the course is created. While the initial effort may be time-consuming, the income generated once the work is complete is passive and can continue to come in for years. This kind of income also allows you to share your knowledge and expertise with others while earning money in the process. Another powerful way to generate passive income is through affiliate marketing. If you have a blog, a YouTube channel, or a large social media following, you can earn commissions by promoting products or services from other companies. Affiliate marketing works by linking to products through unique affiliate links, and when someone purchases through that link, you earn a commission. While building an audience and creating content can take time, once the content is out there, it can continue to generate income with little to no maintenance. With affiliate marketing, you don't have to create a product yourself. You simply recommend others' products and earn a share of the revenue. Dividend stocks offer another excellent way to generate passive income. When you invest in dividend-paying stocks, the companies you invest in pay you a portion of their profits on a regular basis, typically quarterly. The dividends you receive from these stocks can be reinvested to purchase more shares, which in turn generates even more dividends. Over time, this creates a compounding effect where your income continues to grow with minimal effort. Dividend stocks tend to be more stable and reliable than other types of stocks, making them an attractive option for those looking to build a consistent stream of passive income. Creating a business that runs without your constant involvement is another way to generate passive income. Many entrepreneurs build businesses that can function with minimal day-to-day effort by setting up systems, hiring employees, and automating processes. An online store, for example, can be set up to handle sales and fulfillment automatically through dropshipping, meaning you don't have to manage inventory or ship products yourself. This allows you to focus on growing the business or pursuing other opportunities while the business continues to generate income. While it may take time to build a business that can operate passively, once you have systems in place, it can become a consistent source of income without requiring much active effort. The idea of earning money while you sleep is a compelling one, and passive income offers that possibility. The key to making money from money through passive income is to find the right opportunities, invest your time and capital wisely, and be patient. It takes time to set up these income streams, but once they are in place, they can continue to generate wealth with little effort. The more you focus on building multiple streams of passive income, the more secure your financial future becomes. Passive income is not a get-rich-quick strategy, but rather a way to steadily build wealth over time. Whether it's through investments, intellectual property, affiliate marketing, or a business that runs on its own, passive income can be a life-changing way to make money from money and gain financial freedom. Networking is one of the most important tools for making money from money, and it is often overlooked by many. It's not just about knowing people, it's about building meaningful relationships that can open doors, create opportunities, and ultimately lead to wealth. The power of networking lies in its ability to connect you with individuals who have resources, knowledge, or influence that you might not have access to otherwise. It's not about what you know, it's about who you know, and more importantly, how well you know them. Building strong, genuine connections can lead to partnerships, investments, and opportunities that allow you to grow your wealth faster than you could on your own. The first step in effective networking is to start by focusing on building real relationships. This means taking the time to get to know people, listen to their needs, and offer value before expecting anything in return. Genuine relationships are built on trust, and trust takes time to develop. It's not enough to just attend networking events or exchange business cards. It's about showing up consistently, being genuinely interested in others, and contributing to their success. When you give without expecting anything in return, you naturally attract people who are willing to help you in the future. This kind of authentic networking creates a foundation that is far more valuable than simply transactional relationships. Networking is also about being strategic. It's about identifying the right people to connect with and knowing how to nurture those relationships over time. For instance, if you're an entrepreneur, connecting with investors or successful business owners can provide you with the capital, guidance, and mentorship that can help you scale your business. If you're an investor, networking with other investors can help you learn about new opportunities and gain insights that you wouldn't have had access to on your own. Networking is about finding the right people who can offer you the knowledge, advice, or financial backing you need to move forward. By strategically placing yourself in the right circles, you increase your chances of encountering opportunities that can lead to significant wealth. But networking isn't just about meeting influential people, it's also about providing value to those people. If you want to build a network that works for you, you must think about how you can help others first. This could mean sharing your expertise, connecting people with others in your network, or offering advice that helps them achieve their goals. By being a valuable resource to others, you position yourself as someone who others want to engage with. People are more likely to help you when they feel that you've helped them or contributed to their success in some way. It's not about keeping score, but about genuinely adding value to the people you interact with. A great way to build and maintain relationships is through regular communication. This doesn't mean constantly reaching out with a sales pitch or asking for favors. It means staying in touch with the people in your network, offering updates on your progress, and showing interest in their activities as well. Regular communication keeps you top of mind, and it keeps your relationships alive. This can be as simple as sending a message to check in, sharing an interesting article, or inviting someone to an event or meeting. The more you engage with your network, the more opportunities arise. You never know when a casual conversation will lead to a breakthrough idea, a business partnership, or an investment opportunity. Networking also extends beyond the people you meet in person. The digital age has made it easier than ever to connect with individuals from all over the world. Platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and other professional social networks have opened up countless opportunities to expand your network beyond your immediate geographic area. You can connect with industry leaders, influencers, and entrepreneurs across the globe, gaining access to insights and opportunities that would have been difficult to find otherwise. Online networking requires a slightly different approach, as it's important to build an online presence that reflects your expertise and interests. Sharing valuable content, engaging in discussions, and making meaningful connections online can provide a whole new set of opportunities for you to explore. Networking isn't just limited to business professionals or investors. It can extend to people in all walks of life. Even your friends and family can be valuable assets to your network. They can provide emotional support, guidance, and introduce you to opportunities you may not have considered. The power of a personal network should not be underestimated. Many people have landed jobs, business opportunities, or investments simply because of a connection made through someone they already knew. Being a connector yourself, someone who links people together for mutual benefit, can create even more opportunities for you. The more you introduce people to each other, the more you become known as someone who facilitates valuable connections. This reputation can expand your influence and make your network more valuable. In the world of wealth creation, it's important to recognize that your network is often your net worth. The people you know and the relationships you build can provide the resources, advice, and opportunities that will propel your success. While hard work, discipline, and a strong strategy are essential for making money, it's often the relationships you build that make the biggest difference in the long term. Networking is about building connections that can help you grow, both personally and financially. The more you invest in relationships, the more doors will open for you and the more opportunities you will have to make money from money. Your network is a tool that, when used correctly, can be one of the most powerful assets in your pursuit of wealth. Investing in yourself is one of the most impactful ways to make money from money. It's often overlooked, yet it's one of the most powerful and sustainable methods of wealth creation. The concept of investing in yourself is simple but profound. It's about committing time, energy, and resources into developing your skills, expanding your knowledge, and improving your abilities. By doing so, you increase your value in the marketplace, which in turn allows you to generate more income, whether through a job, a business, or other income-generating opportunities. The return on this investment is exponential because the more you invest in your growth, the more opportunities you create for yourself, and the more money you are able to make over time. One of the first ways to invest in yourself is through education. Knowledge is power, and the more you know, the more valuable you become. Whether it's formal education, online courses, workshops, or self-study, gaining knowledge and understanding in your field can significantly increase your earning potential. It's not just about getting a degree or certification, it's about continuous learning. The world is constantly changing, and industries are evolving. The more you stay updated on trends, technologies, and innovations, the better you can adapt and position yourself as an expert. People pay for expertise, so by continually building your knowledge, you are increasing your capacity to generate wealth. Developing specific skills is another crucial way to invest in yourself. Skills such as communication, negotiation, problem solving, and leadership are universally valuable. The better you are at these skills, the more opportunities will present themselves to you. For example, a person who is an excellent communicator can move up the corporate ladder faster, gain the trust of clients, or even launch a successful business. Investing in developing these skills through practice or professional coaching can provide immediate benefits. Additionally, technical skills such as coding, financial analysis, or design are in high demand in today's economy. Investing in these kinds of skills allows you to tap into industries where high-paying opportunities are abundant. One key area of investing in yourself is physical health. It's easy to overlook the importance of good health when you're focused on building wealth, but without your health, creating or maintaining wealth becomes incredibly difficult. Investing time and money into your physical well-being can have profound effects on every area of your life. When you take care of your body, you increase your energy levels, focus, and productivity, which in turn boosts your ability to work hard and make money. Exercise, eating healthy, getting enough sleep, and managing stress all play a part in optimizing your performance, both personally and professionally. Being physically fit allows you to take on challenges, work long hours, and stay mentally sharp, all of which are crucial to success. Mental and emotional health is just as important. You could be the most talented individual in your field, but if you lack confidence or struggle with stress and anxiety, your ability to succeed is limited. By investing in your mental health, whether through therapy, meditation, journaling, or other practices, you build resilience and emotional intelligence, which are crucial traits for navigating the ups and downs of life. Entrepreneurs, investors, and leaders all rely heavily on their ability to make decisions under pressure, stay calm in adversity, and maintain a positive mindset. When you prioritize mental and emotional well-being, you equip yourself with the tools needed to succeed in the face of challenges. Another form of investing in yourself is time management. How you manage your time can be the difference between success and failure. Time is your most valuable resource, and investing in learning how to manage it efficiently can lead to more productivity and success. Prioritizing tasks, setting clear goals, and avoiding distractions are all critical skills that allow you to get the most out of your day. The more effectively you manage your time, the more you can achieve, and the greater the potential for generating income becomes.
This means investing in systems, tools, or methods that help you streamline your daily routines, such as scheduling techniques, productivity apps, or even delegating tasks to others.
Networking is another way to invest in yourself. Building relationships with influential people, mentors, peers, and professionals in your industry can open doors that would otherwise be closed. A strong network provides access to knowledge, resources, and opportunities that can accelerate your wealth-building efforts. By connecting with others and offering value in return, you increase your visibility and reputation, which can lead to more job offers, business partnerships, or investment opportunities. Networking isn't about using people for personal gain. It's about fostering genuine relationships that benefit everyone involved. Finally, investing in yourself means being open to taking risks and stepping outside your comfort zone. Growth doesn't happen when you stay in your safe space. To truly unlock your potential and make money from money, you need to push past your fears and challenge yourself to take on new opportunities. Whether it's investing in a new business venture, learning a new skill, or moving to a new city, each step outside your comfort zone is a step toward greater success. Taking risks allows you to expand your horizons and tap into opportunities that you might not have considered before. The returns from investing in yourself are limitless. The more you invest in your growth, the greater your earning potential becomes. It's a long-term strategy, and the compound interest you gain from your personal development pays off in ways that are often unseen in the short term. When you prioritize personal growth, you put yourself in a position to generate wealth and live a fulfilling life. By investing in your education, skills, health, and well-being, you are making a commitment to your future. The money that comes from investing in yourself is not just about financial wealth, it's about creating a life that is rich in opportunity, success, and personal satisfaction.